Hello students, in this class what will we understand, we will start our new topic, that is add our points. This is the topic of second class and subject is maths. So in this class we will understand how we can add our points. Okay, so before I will start the topic, I want to show you something. So this is a ball and you have to tell me how many times I have catch this ball. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the first round I have caught this ball 4 times. Okay, in the second round now we will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the second round I have caught the ball 6 times. Now you will understand this thing. In the first round I have caught the ball 4 times. In the second round I have caught the ball 6 times. So how many total number of times I have caught the ball? It is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So my total score is 10. Okay, now this is the one table I have drawn for you, and this is the game which is played by the student of second class. The name of the game is catch the ball. Okay, you have to understand the table before we will start anything, that what I have written here. Okay, there are some students, the name of the students are Raju, Sanju, Kavita, Rohan and Shiva. Okay, they have played the game 2 times. Okay, this is the first round scores and this is the second round scores. Okay, the Raju have scored 12 marks. 12 times he has caught the ball in the first round and he has caught 4 times ball in the second round. Okay, so the total number of times he has caught the ball is 16. Okay, so this is the total score which he has made, okay, while catching the ball. Now we will talk about the Sanju. Sanju has scored 14 points in the first round because he has caught the ball 14 times, and in the second round he has caught the ball 3 times. So total number of ball caught by Sanju is 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Okay, now the turn of Kavita has come. Now Kavita has scored 10 marks in the first round and she has scored 5 points in the second round. The total number of points she has made is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now the turn of Rohan has come. So Rohan has scored 9 points in the first round as well as in the second round he has scored the same marks 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. He has scored 18 points all around. So now the turn of Shiva has arrived. Shiva has scored 8 points in the first round and he has scored 12 points in the second round. So the total number of points he has scored 8 plus 12 is 20. Now tell me who is the winner in the game, who has got the maximum marks. You can check by this. Okay, who has scored the maximum marks 16, 17, 15, 18 or 20. Of course 20 is the maximum marks made by Shiva. Okay, so Shiva is the our winner. He got the first position. Okay, in the now you will tell me who has scored the second position. Of course 18 marks which is scored by Rohan. So he has scored the second position. Similar, third position scored by Sanju, fourth position scored by Raju and fifth position scored by Kavita. So this is the table which you have to understand. I will ask you few questions and you will tell me who has scored the maximum marks, least marks, and the who has scored the good marks in the first round, who has scored the good marks in the second round. Okay, you will tell me some question I will ask you. So tell me, how many marks has Raju scored in the first round? Raju in the first round, he has scored 12 marks. Yes. So now you tell me how many marks are scored by Sanju in the second round. Sanju in the second round, he has scored 3 points or 3 marks. Okay. So you will tell me who has scored the same points in the both the rounds. Who has scored same points in the both the rounds? Rohan, because he has scored 9 marks in the first round as well as 9 marks in the second round. So this is the way which we have drawn the table, and you have to understand what this table is telling us. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept of catch the ball. Now your homework is you will repeat this table and you will understand and ask question. You will ask your question, you will make question for yourself, that how many is least marks scored by in the first round, who has scored the least mark in the second round, who has scored the maximum marks in the first or second round. So these types of question you can create by your own self. So I hope this topic is enjoyable for you. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.